Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the cell fracture add-on. Go over edit, then preferences add-on, and it's over here. You can check the box to enable it like this. Select your object, go over object, left click, then search for quick effect and cell fracture, and this is gonna be displaying. It's going to be displaying this panel as shown here. The controls are applicable to the object that is selected, cell fracture device, a mesh into parts depending on the option selected in the control panel. So let's adjust. I'm gonna be going with these default settings by hitting OK, and you can see the effect clearly. And you can see that this add-on is going to subdivide or to divide a mesh into parts depending on the options selected in the control panel as shown in our tutorial. As you can see here, we have all those subdivided meshes over there from this cube. You can grab any object you want from this subdivided cube as shown here. You can also grab the original cube, hit X to delete it, and it's like this, and it's pretty amazing effect. You can use this add-on to subdivide the mesh you want. And that's it. I hope you will learn something new. Thanks for watching.